So guys, welcome back to the Tecumseh restoration. Now as you can see, the deck is in primer. I'm after doing a lot of work, getting all the rust out. There's a bit of filler here and there that was needed, a little bit here, a little bit on the side. And then obviously over here, this is where I had to, a piece had to be welded from here in, as you can see on the inside, and even on this side as well. So yeah, there was a nice little bit of work to be done with this deck. Has to be one of the rustier decks that I have done. The Sprinter's deck doesn't seem half as bad as this, even though it did need welding in a bit more places actually, believe it or not, than this. Mostly, but I was still it's good practice just to put some grease in moving parts. So that's them put back together. So hopefully you'll see these next on the lawnmower. Right. So guys, welcome back to the channel, and today is the last installment of the Tecumseh restoration. Now as you can see, with all the parts lined out, ready for assembly. The deck, as you can see, is painted. Just very nice metallic. It's kind of an aqua green. As you can see in comparison with the wheel, it's very kind of a bluey type of colour. But it's a colour I picked out myself and said that actually looked very nice on the lawnmower, and I can't wait to get back together and yeah, see in a minute when it's all assembled. Now, so as you can see, the Tecumseh is finally finished. I still have to put on the stickers, so there will be an upcoming video of that, or a clip. I have a lovely sticker to go on the front of this, the Trojan 16 sticker that used to be on it. But yeah, the engine looks very nice. And just a quick recap of what it used to be like back when I first started work on this. Remember, it was a non-runner, and yeah, the video speaks for itself. I can nearly go down to, there's a whole list of things I've done to this lawnmower over this past series. Parts it needed, spark plug, which was inevitable, spark plug, new pull cord, and a bit of paint, a bit of welding here and there. New filter, brand new filter that went into this, and everything's been given a good clean polish and a good coat of paint as well. So yeah, very happy with it. So, where we are, we have the Tecumseh and my previous restoration project. My first project, first ever lawnmower restoration, was this Briggs & Stratton 3.75 Sprint from 1994. So she is 26 years old. So yeah, no, not too old, but not too young either. But I can't really know what year this one is. I think it's actually 1997, believe it or not, so it's about 5 years in the difference between these two. But boy god, it's a nice, very nice comparison with obviously the green, and then I have orange. I always intended to paint this green because the fact the wheels were green, and I went a black would have looked goodish, but I would have said black. I'm not going to put black back on it. This deck was originally black, but I just painted it in the blue. The Sprinters, that was its original colour. I just liked the orange, and I went, that's okay, I'll put it back on. But for this one, I just went, no, I'll put on this metallic green. So yeah, so I have them two parked up. I have a couple of little things I need to do with it, and we'll fill it with fuel and see if she will start. I haven't started this yet. Haven't started. I think the last time it actually ran was the first successful run of it starting. So yeah, time to get it going. So yeah, hopefully the next scene you'll see this starting up. So I'm gonna go for our first start up. I've put petrol in it. Oil's fine, obviously. Stopper cable's off. Spark plug is in. I've given it a couple of primes, so see if she'll start. No guarantees in this. There's no editing or anything, so probably needs a bit more of a prime. It's no problem. I'm getting fuel now. You see, might have drained it. Spark plug is in. I think that just needs a small couple of pulls. You see if she's nearly there. She hasn't run since I last run it the first time, so not too bad though. I'll let her warm up. So guys, as you can see, I fitted back on the stickers. They came up shocking well, and this is what I was aiming for. As you can see, it looks really well. I'm sticking back on the old sticker on the back as well, and I think this marks the end of the Tecumseh's restoration. This is a bit of a journey, coming from a non-runner. I actually thought the engine was seized in this. Turns out it was just that mechanism here had to be activated, and then the engine was able to turn over. New pull cord, spark plug, and then once I got it running, I put everything else back onto it. I stripped it completely down and gave the deck re-welded, and everything had to be done to that. And yeah, the more I look at it, the better it looks. You know, honestly, I'm very happy with it, and yeah, it really does do it justice, and it works good too. It runs great up in the yard. It runs perfectly, never misses a beat. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please leave a like, subscribe, and guys, I'll see you in the next one. It goes to show with a little bit of tinkering, you can get an engine to run so well.